Installation method of invisible hanger for children's clothes. This video is divided into 3 parts. Without foam pipe. When installing, first install the longest spring elbow on both sides. Bend it into an arc with force to support the curve of the hip width of the pants. 2 medium-length spring bent pipes are installed in the middle to control the spread of the legs. 4 adjustable length telescopic rods are installed under the spring elbow to adjust the length of the pants. This is the lateral strut. Pass the shortest spring elbow through the gasket and install it under the expansion rod. The lateral strut can be stretched. To adjust the width of the pants, bend the spring elbow. To shoot tapered pants, straighten the spring elbow. To shoot flat pants, loosen this butterfly nut. To adjust the waist width, use a screwdriver to hold the screw and slightly loosen the butterfly nut, and then pull the waist rod to adjust the width. After adjustment, tighten the butterfly screw. The waist width is fixed. This is a high-strength angle adjuster. Bend it hard. To adjust the waist slope, the function of the foam tube is to enhance the texture of the edge light and shadow. Put the cut foam tube onto the spring tube on the side of the rack. Tie the opening with the free tie strap. In the middle, put a 17cm foam tube on it. Put a gasket on the screw thread of the telescopic rod and install it under the spring elbow. It can prevent the foam tube above from slipping. You can follow the length of the pants you want to shoot. Choose the appropriate foam tube. Put it on the telescopic rod. Put the shortest spring elbow through the gasket of the cross brace and install it under the telescopic rod. Put the 13cm foam tube onto the spring elbow. When shooting bottleneck pants, use a screw and washer combination. Turn it under the spring elbow to prevent the foam tube from slipping. When shooting the tapered pants, you can install the wire connector first, then put on the foam. Bend the elbow into an arc, then put the wire support rod of the trouser mouth. Insert the wire connector. Tighten the screw. Finally, put on the foam tube of the pants. The length can be adjusted at any time during shooting.